do-it-yourself oil change on a what, 2006 Nissan Altima.
Make sure you don't hit the camera, Tim.
Nissan Altima. Need to get a hat. Hair's looking a mess. Oh, here it is. Good.
What's up, guys?
Yo, to my humble abode. This is where I sleep at night. Sometimes I sleep under this S4 bumper. That cat has one leg.
Bro, left your balls on the floor, bro.
I forgot to pick them joints up. Look at a little muscle mania right here. Muscle mania.
Shout out to Max.
So, shout out to Max Beating Rods. Shout out to Max Beating Rods. Niggas just bought whole coilover setup for $150 for the dirty 36. It's an M-Tech E36 that we're gonna f up because we don't care, and I don't give a f. Yeah. Coilover installed today. Let's get it. Okay. You just jack it up on things that the pinch roll is on, Justin? Right there with that circle. But the pinch roll is not even there. There's no pinch roll. Mine has pinch rolls. Well, not pinch rolls, but little things. The box. But this one doesn't have it. This one doesn't have it.
What? We have it.
How would you do that? Well, we're gonna put on stand, aren't we? Yeah, one over there, one over there. Well, stand over there, one over there. This is raw footage.
Alright, so we're one down and 3 more to go. Or not even one down.
I don't even want to be doing one down.
I don't know if you want to call it one down yet.
I want to call this shit nothing. I got nothing to do.
Hey, he's jacking up by your lip.
Don't do that. That lip was $100. I got it off of eBay.
Just like this bill.
Sold bill on eBay. I'm up a perfectly good intake. Look at my engine bay. You can tell how nice it is.
It's a fake M-Tech though.
Just fake ass M-Tech. Going in the bottom bolt?
Yeah.
Because someone couldn't?
Yeah, because someone on this channel couldn't.
Kicking, because Jordan always be kicking all the bolts around. Kicking it like Mr. Miyagi.
I'll say look at this shit. Still loose.
Oh my gosh.
Catch in my bank account. I'll give you $5.
Bro, he's going to do one turn and
Still loose.
The wheel's going to fall off.
What's up? I'll have to get up. I gotta put. Birch ties. It's the Honda Civic Drift Build.
Honda Civic Drift Build.
You know what this is? It has no badges on it.
No badges, no bumper. Quick release. Niggas be opening his grill at night.
We're in the Honda Civic Drift Build.
Honda Civic Drift Build.
See, the best thing about my Honda Civic Drift Build is that I always hit boost. I never lag. Now let me walk you around the car.
Anyways,
Let me walk you around the car. Come on.
we're here.
Let me walk. Hey, let me walk you around the car.
My boy right here is about to bust out
See?
for everybody.
I added a duck bill because stance.
Anyways,
It's that my trunk opens without me even doing anything.
we're gonna go get some boosters. Nice. Oh shit, it's better. Nice ass day in ATL.
Gonna get ice cream today or what?
Ice cream.
Damn, you're using everything out here.
Definitely rubbing off.
Nigga, is
Why
the
you
Hulk.
laughing, bro?
You the Hulk right now?
I'm strong. What?
Why are you taking it off? I got it, dude. I just needed it to be loosened up.
I don't think he loosened it. I didn't loosen it.
Maybe it just fell off. Things grab.
Let's try to find yourself a bolt. Put it on there. And if it doesn't go in the grooves, then it's not
Show
the
it to the
same.
camera.
See how different that is?
Oh yeah, yeah, I see.
You need something more like
Just fine thread.
this is fine.
That's more fine thread.
That's
That's
fine.
more.
We need coarse.
The good old Bolts bin comes in clutch, right?
The extra.
Yeah.
No, that's too close. Perfect.
We're gonna cut it.
Let me
That's
see.
perfect, Jordan. See how it's a little longer?
Yeah.
We can put some washers on here to make it, you know what I'm saying?
To make it shorter.
Ey, posuwaj, posuwaj,
Alex.
posuwaj!
So Alex, you're lying, bro. What is the kid doing, bro?
Do they really almost isn't your Miata?
He's right next to your car, my guy.
Who? Who's right next to my car?
Yo, what's up, bro?
Who is that? What was it, trying to catch him?
Take your camera.
He's trying to take my
That
camera
was
away.
the kid that be running around?
Yes, all the time.
Why'd
Bro.
you like Lil Yachty?
That nigga drunk as fuck.
I was like, what is this man trying to do?
Hey!
Yo, Travis Scott needs
He's trying to give you a hug, Jordan. He's trying to give you a hug.
You know
Yeah,
him?
go
Timmy?
ahead.
He goes to your school?
Go ahead.
He does? Is he special ed?
Yeah.
He is? You're running around?
Classes.
What?
He goes to
Yeah. So you're trying to put on that bolt back there?
Yeah, and it won't go on.
Is it the right one? Is it it's the bolt to hold the coilovers onto the thing?
Nigga, no. You obviously seen that. The fuck?
I'm just trying to talk, bro.
You need to start chatting. That's what you need to start doing. Goddamn. This is not chat room, nigga.
All right, is your oil cap torqued to 50 pounds? Damn, it's torqued to 50 pounds.
Oh!
Yo, it just left a mean ass dent.
Stop, dude. Stop doing that shit around my car, bro. Please.
Yo, watch out.